In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT not working. Imagine you're all set to get some advice, or you're simply curious about what ChatGPT has to offer, but just then it decides to have a moment. Annoying, right? Fortunately, I'm here to help you troubleshoot this issue quickly and get you back on track within 5 minutes. First, head over to status.openai.com. This is your go-to webpage for checking if there are any ongoing issues on the OpenAI servers. Sometimes the problem isn't on your end at all. Once there, take a good look to see if ChatGPT is experiencing any outage or degraded performance. It's super helpful because it lets you know right away whether there is a bigger issue at play. If the servers happen to be down, don't sweat it too much. Generally, these issues are resolved within an hour, and all you need is a little patience. If the servers seem fine but you're still experiencing issues, the next thing you'll want to check is your internet connection. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is working properly and that you're connected to the internet. Sometimes a simple fix on your router can solve the issue. Give it a restart if needed. You might be surprised how often that helps. After ensuring your connection is stable, dive into your device's settings. Navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Here, you'll find an option to clear your data. Sometimes cached data can create a bit of chaos, so clearing it can often resolve unexpected glitches. Don't worry, this won't delete any personal files, it just clears out the stored cache that might be causing the trouble. Once that's done, make sure to log out of your ChatGPT account and then log back in. This can refresh your session and eliminate any lingering issues that might have cropped up during your last login. A fresh session can often do the trick. Lastly, consider disabling any browser extensions or ad blockers you might have enabled. While these can be super handy, they sometimes interfere with how web pages load and function, including ChatGPT. By turning them off temporarily, you can check if they're causing the problem. So there you have it, a quick and efficient guide to get ChatGPT back to working smoothly. Hopefully, one of these steps resolves your issue and lets you get on with your day. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anyone who might be experiencing the same problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.